how's it going there? What's going on? It's Monday morning, just dropping the cement tank here now, and we're going to get a container. Already back in the tank later on, but just need to give a dig out here to get one of the containers over this morning. So we'll give it a shot and see what we can show you. Hope all is good. Now we can check the rest of the property. Monday morning, as I said, and it's go in here and get a container, just to give a dig out with the containers there. It's dry-ish out, it's cold, 5 degrees, not freezing cold, but cold enough. Cold breeze in the air. Grand out nights, aren't they? On the old dark mornings. The bright mornings will make an appearance soon. But I'll do my best to show you what I can now with the container this morning. As I said, I'll be back on my tank after I do this container, you know, and then I'll be bright, you know. I don't know yet, you know, what the rest of the day is planned, but look, we'll go with the flow and see what it is. We'll see you when we get in there, yeah? See you when we get in there. Right down ahead, right lane closed. Somebody's having a bad Monday morning. looks like the breakdown's in the left lane, but it looks like it hazard lights up here. See a van going down there with flashing lights, so maybe there is something on the right hand lane. But all the traffic here now on the left lane will be going for the airport as well, so that's why I've jumped out to the middle lane. Oh, I see it there now, look. He's out here, he's not blocking the lane, he's in the centre reservation there where it widens at the centre. Sorted now. Hope the traffic doesn't get too bad for rush hour. Right now that truck line has become a lot quicker now to process the barrier and the tag and whatever, you know. No stopping and starting and the whole lot. Down the right hand lane here for queuing for this terminal, but there's nobody in the queue at the moment, so we go down the left lane, and that just means less speed ramps to go over. We'll jump in near the end. You don't have to jump in, but you can jump in near the end. you. Thank you. Sorted. Right, my empty is going to F and my full one's coming out of E, so F is on the left here and E is on the right. It might just work out depending on what number. Depending on what number we're on. 06 E10. It's kind of very close. Normally you can pull into the F lane on the left, on the left hand side, get your box off, and then you're able to scoot over to the right into the other lane, but we'll see. Try and judge whereabouts I need to be, just to be in line. Quick look and see, don't forget the hard hat. Quick look there now. I'm in 06 here, position number 06, whatever way you want to call it, on the F, and then my full one here is actually over to the right here on the E10. Is that it there actually? E10. No, you can't see it. I thought it was that ECBU box over there. It's not. It's in that stack over there. So if I can, I'll depending on where the cranes are, sometimes you can swing out. You're not supposed to, and then reverse back and then mooch over. If not, I just have to swing out and go around the block and back in. But there's no major queues here this morning, so no headaches for trying to get in and out of a spot, you know. Right, I'll come back to you in a minute now on this crane, or whichever crane gets overhead, right? Give him the old thumbs up, away he goes. I'll wait till he goes into the stack now before I'll go back in the lorry. Now we go around the block and go into the next lane that I'm supposed to be in. We're kind of in my spot. I think this fella's going a bit further on the truck here in front of me. He's in the spot I want to be in. We'll know now in a second when the other lad moves off. Right, we're lined up, ready to go. Just check your container number as it comes down. You know it's the right one. If it's not the right one, give them an L wave. They're usually spot on. It's good. Basically just pull up at the barrier here on the way out, and they check the container number and your registration number on the camera, and away you go. Any issues, they'll call you on the little speakerphone thing there. Right, that's the part. We'll see out the road, and yeah, we'll see what the rest of the day is going to do. We've set traffic lights here for the pedestrians crossing. It's a bit safer, isn't it? That car is still there that was broken down earlier on, and I'd say that's just causing a serious amount of rubbernecking. The van is there with the flashy lights. Yeah, the car is still there. Surely you could have got an old tow truck now by now, lads, you know, get them moved. Right, we'll see you up the road there, we'll see you up the road. Just going around the ring road here now, Balbriggan, heading for Bridgestone Tires. A place I frequent fairly regular. Well, not as much these days when I'm on the cement, but I have frequented it a good few times. How are you?
I think there's only one empty here.
Where now?
Are you looking for them?
Oh no, there's ones in the yard, no, it's alright.
Sure.
Yeah, no bother, Vincent. Back doors are open. All done and dusted. A bit tight here this morning. Still a lot of trailers in the place, you know. Somebody dropped the Masterlink trailer, very crooked. Not that it's affecting me that much. So we'll bounce back to the yard and see what the plan is. I'll get the boss a ring on the way. Right, get back to you shortly. There you are now. The day is ticking on. We got another load to do there today. We're back under the tank. And we're just slipping off here for Tullamore, Kilbeggan, heading over towards Kilbeggan side. And yeah, another load to do, so not too bad for a Monday. Who remembers going through Kilbeggan back in the day before the motorway was built? Who remembers going through all these towns back in the day before the motorways got built? I do. This Circle K on the left, there's a little bit of truck parking in it, a few spots, not a whole lot now. Not the easiest just to get into either, you know. Always full of cars. It's a busy spot with cars. It's a grand big shop now inside it. The only thing I've faulted on is not enough toilets in it. There's like 2 toilets and that's it. So they've done away with the roundabout up here now. It's just a couple of new pedestrian crossings, and we have the right of way here, heading through to the left. And the traffic coming from the right has to now stop or yield. Well, stop as it says in the road. Traffic coming through. Come on. Thank you, and thank you. Heading out here by the race course, Kilbeggan race course, to a place where we go now a bit. what the history is of that place there on the left. See, it's running along a little river anyway, so must have been a busy place back way back in the day, using the old river, the water to power a wheel, the water wheel no doubt. Make a phone call here, get this gate opened. I'll get back to you momentarily. Open sesame. You have to ring this place to get the gate open. Don't bother me. Quick phone call. How you doing? Outside there. Dead on. Roger. Way with you. On ahead. These guys recycle glass. One of the things they recycle, they probably recycle lots of things, but they recycle glass and they crush it down. From what I was saying, they crush it right down to like a sand, you know? Oh no. Better sound on here, dead on here, no, dead on. We're going to weigh in here and I'll come back to you if I can. Simple as that, now get weighed in. That's my silo down there where the forklift come out. It's a handy tip, just need to keep out a bit from the building so the forklift can go in and out from the bag shed. And take this swing as wide as you can because it's a bit of a tightish yard, but take it as wide as you can, you're alright. Right, so I'll go and get set up and come back to you in a little while. He's just checking the width. He's enough room to get in and out. I always leave him around. Right, there you are now. I'm out of breath. Just set up there now, so it's a bit loud out there to kind of show you, but I'll show you a bit. But it's a bit loud out there, so won't be showing you much. And yeah, that's the story at the moment. Get this tipped and get her back up the road. That's me tipped. That's me tipped now. 40 minutes, all done and dusted. Go and get weighed out. Head her up the road. Bit of a highway bridge this. You have to keep well over to the left as well to get nice and straight, but it's up kind of high, you know. that's me tipped here. Just signed that bit again because I don't know if it recorded as I left there. Just waiting for the gate to open here. And handy tipping there now. So yeah, we'll leave it here, leave it there. Hopefully this is better now than the last video was a bit messy with the old POV, but sure, look, we put it up anyway. We'll see how this one looks. So we will. Okay then. Till the next time. Thanks very much. Good luck now. Bye bye. Stay warm. It's freezing out. And talk to you soon. Good luck.